Okay, good morning, class. Yesterday I gave you a paragraph writing. I hope all of you must have done it. If yes, raise your thumb. If no, put it down. If not yet done, please put it up. Okay. Can you see this on your screen? One of you open your mic and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay,
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
First one is okay. One has said yes on everybody's behalf and all have heard it. Okay. So now today in your grammar copy, you will be writing a heading, paragraph writing. Now in your grammar copies, you write the heading, paragraph writing. The spelling of paragraph writing is given here. Okay. After that, this is the first page that you will do. You'll write what is paragraph writing and you start writing this. A paragraph writing is a series of sentences that are organized and coherent and are all related to a single topic. Almost every piece of writing you do that is longer than a few sentences should be organized into paragraphs. Regardless of the kind of information they contain, all paragraphs share certain characteristics. Now, let me explain this to you. A paragraph writing is a group of sentences clubbed in together telling about the same idea. Okay? Whatever one topic we had taken, all the sentences are related to that. And when there are more than a few sentences, then it is organized into a paragraph. That means one or two sentences don't make a paragraph. Unless you have four, five, six sentences, it is not a paragraph. So when the idea about the same topic is more than two sentences or three sentences, then it is a paragraph. Now, a paragraph gives you all the information about the given topic. Clear? It deals with the same theme which you have taken. So this is the first thing that you will do. You'll write on a new page, paragraph writing, and then you'll write this. After that, below it only, not from a new page, not from a new page. Please go through this recording and then ask silly questions. On the same page, next heading would be, how do you write a good paragraph? Now, how do we write a good paragraph? We, to write a great paragraph, start with a topic sentence that states the subject and main idea. In the next 3-5 sentences, present evidence like facts, example, or even short anecdotes. To back up your main idea, use transition phrases like in addition to, or, however, to help your paragraph flow well. So now they are telling you to write a great paragraph or a good paragraph, we need to be stating the points and facts about the topic. Like yesterday, we took up a paragraph, view from the window, from my room's window. Now we need to collect all the facts. Now, so we have to frame up these 3-5 sentences telling what all you see, and for that you need evidences, the facts, what it makes you feel, how it looks, and all the details. And the adding sentences and phrases could be in addition to, however. These are the few. Otherwise, other conjunctions could also be used. So this is the second thing that you will write after the heading. Then below it only, not from a new page, one below the other you'll keep writing, is number 1, decide what the main topic of the paragraph is going to be. That means, what is your topic? You have to first sit down, frame out कि अच्छा हम बात किस विषय पे कर रहे हैं, and you have to accumulate the facts. Before you begin writing your paragraph, You must have a clear idea of what the paragraph is going to be about. That's it. Whatever I have doodled, do not do that. Okay, that orange doodle, I've deliberately rubbed that. Clear? So this is the first thing you will write. After that, I mean below those 2 points, then this is first point, then second. Write down information and ideas relating to that topic. Now, whatever topic you have chosen, all the ideas and information that you have about it, you're supposed to write that. Once you have a clearer idea of what you want to address in your paragraph, you can start organizing your thoughts by writing down your ideas. Yes, child?
ये पता नहीं अपने आप ही हट गया वो हट
Who's the Hindi medium child in the class? Okay. After this second point, then you will come to this point, third point. Figure out how you want to structure your paragraph. आपको कैसे क्या facts and ideas किस sequence में रखने हैं? This is the third heading. Now that all of your thoughts, ideas, facts and figures are laid out clearly in front of you, you can start to think about how you want to structure your paragraph. That means which point you would like to mention first, then below it which one, and organize your thoughts. And number 4, though I have not numbered it, but you can always number it as number 4, write a concluding sentence. That means the last summing up. Like supposing for the topic which I had chosen, which I gave you yesterday, my last sentence would be, my window is a real place where I feel positivity, where I feel the new refreshing thoughts come to my mind, where I sit and enjoy reading, whatever, and you can write a beautiful line telling about the window. Why do you like it last in the end? Okay, the summing up. So the concluding sentence of your paragraph should tie everything together. A good concluding sentence will reinforce the idea outlined in your topic sentence. But now it has all the weight of the evidence or arguments contained in your supporting sentence behind it. After reading the concluding sentence, the reader should have no doubt as to the accuracy or relevance of paragraph as a whole. That means your concluding sentence should be very strong, good enough. It should tell and highlight about the fact and the topic that you have taken. So that's it. Now this is the writing part. What is paragraph writing all about? You will be writing in all these sequences. So once again, I will just quickly show you. Here, you'll begin with this one as page 1. Then this is below it. Then this is below it in points, first point. Below the first point, this is the second point. This is the third point. And here it is the conclusion, which could be written as the fourth point. Clear? That's it. I hope I'm clear. Open your mic. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
anything
ma'am.
anything that you need to ask?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything that you need to ask me? Is there anything that you need to ask me? Do not take a snapshot. Who is this person? Laiba, do not mute anyone. You mind your own business. Okay. Now, yesterday you all were very clever. Some of you told me that the mic was not working and that's why you could not tell your ideas. No problem. Next time, make sure only when your mic works, open up and tell the idea. And now I will be in the next class. We'll be having at 9:30. I'll be asking you to read out your paragraph. Okay? So those of you who have not written, quickly write it. And I don't want a very perfect paragraph. अभी आप रफ में ही try कर लो. If you have not done it in language copies, no problem. No problem. कहीं पर एक proper paragraph लिख लो. You should have at least 5 sentences to tell me something about your paragraph. Okay? Because you're going to read it out in front of me. And all are going to listen and the call will be recorded. Clear? So prepare a nice paragraph. Do not cheat from somewhere. Do not typo from somewhere. Yes, Sanskar Gupta has left now. Now he'll tell me, ma'am, I did not know this. Now, any such excuse will debar you from taking your attendance and marking it present. Those who attended my class means they have done the work. Clear? So there is no excuse. You can tell your friends after you keep down your call that ma'am has told that in spite if she sees us on the in the class present, yet she will only consider us present if we are ready with the paragraph in the next class, which is at 9:30. So you have ample time. Okay. Though I won't be very strict with your attendance, but then this is the way I will know that you are doing your work. Okay. Don't think I'm being rude. I'm only trying to help you because कोई तो डर होना चाहिए ना बच्चे को काम कराने के लिए. ठीक है कि वो if I'll not do, ma'am will not give me present. So maybe this is a lucrative force which will make you do the work. Okay. And my good children will do it anyhow. So I'm not teaching just the good ones, I'm teaching also the ones who need my help. Yeah? So without feeling bad, I will be marking present to nearly all, but then मुझे मन है कि आप सब इस पैराग्राफ को ढंग से करें. Okay? And do the writing part of it also, that you can do later also. But be ready at 9:30 with your paragraph. We'll be discussing the paragraph. Each child will be reading out the paragraph. ठीक है, not each will be possible, but I'll randomly pick anyone. ठीक है, तो अपने mics ready रखना बच्चों. Okay, I terminate the class and open your mic. Open your mic.